A mile and a half to the stuff.
We can set up right here.
We can set up right here. Fuck it. We got a view of the lake. There's a potential avalanche zone.
So yeah.
We got a good sledding hill right here.
Here. You want a rope? Yeah.
This is just pull us down.
Tight to the tree.
I want a good struggle.
Yeah, me too. Hold on, let me get this on.
Stop!
I'm gonna get a better view.
What are you two doing down there, making out and shit? We need the rope. We need the rope. Stop trying, you fucker. Wait for the rope. You're gonna waste your energy.
Fuck that.
This is worth the whole trip. This trip is already a success.
I don't know why I've been trying to walk straight up the hill. Well, you gotta walk sideways.
Oh, I'm getting the rope. Go sideways, Johnny. Try it.
Walk to your left.
There you go.
Don't try to go straight up the hill.
I think the best part is that John has a kitchen garbage bag.
Get the rope. It's fucked up.
He got a glad bag.
You got it?
Do I keep getting further and further?
It's like fucking quicksand, dude.
Seriously, be careful there, though, because if you go off,
You're like,
I'm really tired of standing up.
What?
I'm really tired of standing up.
Why am I so?
I don't know.
Am I a monster for laughing at this? Johnny, we keep getting further and further away.